What if you could get free leads for life? No gimmicks, no crazy ad spend, just a simple system that pays you to grow your list and your business automatically. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, the power behind low ticket funnels, and why this one shift can turn your business into a lead generating machine, even if you're just getting started. And you're going to want to stick around for the whole video because I'm giving away some crazy free stuff that I'll mention a little bit later. Now, there's a lot of approaches to business, but in this video, I want to show why low ticket funnels can be a really great option for anybody looking to get started. The number one bottleneck I see for most businesses is lead generation, and low ticket funnels can really solve that. A low ticket funnel essentially flips the script completely. They create movement, traction, and leads that can be free. They give you leverage and they make your list grow every single day without you chasing people down. Here's exactly how it works. Now, the macro way that a low ticket funnel essentially works is you're taking lead magnets, bundles, intro courses, putting it all together for anywhere from $27 to $97. And the idea here is that you can break even and then build trust, get people results, solve a problem, and then sell them something higher. Whether that's consulting, coaching, a higher ticket program, whatever it is, this is basically going to get you free leads for life. And this structure has a little bit of nuances, so you're going to want to stick around. So the biggest problem I see with low ticket is people just throw and bundle together random stuff, and it doesn't help remove the pain points that a common customer is going to have in the future. So here's an example. If you're giving away a 100-page ebook, if it does solve that problem or that pain point, or it helps people get really quick wins instantly, then it's a great option. But that's not always going to be the best case. What typically works really well is a challenge where you have somebody on your team helping people go through and get those results quickly. So it can be a bundle, it can be a short intro course, it can be a challenge, or it can be a lot of different elements all combined. But what I've seen work best is something that helps people get over those initial pain points or hurdles in your niche. The reason that this point is so important is because you need to build trust, proof of concept, and that your system works in as fast as possible. So if it takes people 5 days to get a challenge, is there no way you could do it in 4 days or 3 days or 1 day? Figure out the shortest timeline to get people that first win or first success. If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be making a $10,000 a month in a week or in a few days, but it could be getting the system built, getting them their account set up, getting them maybe their first opt-in or lead within first 5 or 6 days. That could be the expectation that you're setting, and they can see, hey, I've got this set up. I've bought into it. I've started taking those initial steps, and now I need some extra help on how to actually run this thing. If you like these insights and you want to learn a little bit more and take action, I'm actually giving away 50 free funnels to people who join my community. All you have to do is be an active member of the community, and I'm going to be building you an actual low ticket funnel that converts. So take a look at the description, join the community, and we'll get started on building you your free funnel. Now, here's a few more tips on how to actually get this thing up and running and how some of these other nuances actually work. So the psychology around it is typically people aren't going to pay you $1,000, $2,000, or $10,000 because you haven't built that trust. They don't know you, they don't trust you, and you can do this a lot easier with a lower ticket funnel. You can basically get them in for at cost, build that trust, and then start scaling people on top of that. There's just going to be a group of people that will never buy anything from you for those expensive price points. What you need to do is get them in at a lower price point, qualify them, get them results, and then get them onto that next level for your program or for your business. Are you tired of juggling 30 different software tools just to keep your business running? Well, I was in the same boat, so I deleted everything and found an all-in-one solution that helped me save more than $1,000 per month. There's a much better way out there, and you can actually get started for free today. It's called High Level, one platform that has every tool in total control. It essentially replaces your CRM, funnel builder, email system, social media scheduler, calendar scheduling, marketing automation, and so much more. Even better, you can white label it, sell to your clients as your own software, and keep 100% of the profit. There's no extra user fees ever, and you can start a free trial today before it's gone. Scan the QR code on the screen or just click the link in the description to see why millions of businesses are switching to High. One of the best examples for a company that does this is Costco or Sam's Club. They have two really great break-even offers, and it's their rotisserie chickens, which they conveniently place in the back of Costco. So you have to walk in, you have to buy stuff, because they know if you're going to buy a chicken, you're going to buy some of these other products, and it's getting your average cart value up, your average order value to be a lot higher. And so this sort of technique works, and it's the other reason they sell hot dogs and pizza, to just get people in the door, because they know once you're there, they figured it out. Everyone who walks through the door is going to spend X amount of dollars. So if they do that, even though they're not making money on the chicken, they're going to make money on the other things you buy. Now, here's a few other things to consider on the low ticket funnel. Again, not everyone is going to convert. Not everyone is going to actually go and be a qualified person that is going to elevate. The best way to do this is to, inside your funnel in the very beginning, try to qualify them as they're going through. Figure out who's actually going to be a good lead to get on a sales call and see if they're good potential. This could be like an onboarding survey. This could be a free call or consultation to just figure out what their goals and if they're going to be a good fit for that next level up. There's a lot of creative ways to do this, but what I think is the worst way to do this is have a super long challenge and save that upsell or that qualification for day 7 or 8 towards the end. The reason is most people just don't make it that far. They don't have the time, they don't have the consistency, but they still might be a good lead to go ahead and get to that next level. A lot of people out there just want to pay a higher price point to get results faster. So they got bored by the funnel, they didn't see the results, and they just are busy. So they want to pay somebody a higher price to do it for them. And that's what I suggest in having that second tier offer, that you're going to get people faster and bigger results, and they're going to be happy to pay for that. So if you qualify people early, and I'm talking about in step 1, have an intro video on how everything works. Step 2, qualify them, have them fill out a survey for what goals they want to achieve, what their budget is, where they want to be at in the next year or 6 months, and then figure out, is this person qualified for my next program? If so, offer them a free consultation call. Reach out to them directly. There's a lot of ways to do this, but don't overcomplicate it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to leave another video right here that was hand selected just for you. And if you're new to the channel, or if you're new to seeing me for the first time, make sure you hit subscribe for new videos I'm putting out every single day.